I have just had an absolute steal at my local Lidl's. This was in the 50% off. It was only £9.99. For that price, I couldn't resist. Nice rugged sturdy case. One user manual. One 12-volt jigsaw. Metal cutting blade. Wood cutting blade. Don't know where that is supposed to be. And your depth/level adjuster for doing accurate cutting. Your dust port extractor attachment that just slides in there. It is variable speed from 1 all the way back up to 6. There is your pendulum adjustment. 3 settings, setting 2, 0, 1, 2. Your on-off switch. Perhaps I should try a 4-amp-hour battery. This needs charging. That sounds a hell of a lot better. The guard flips up. You have a nice work light that comes on when you switch it on. That slides in so you can get your correct distance from when you are doing a cut. Very handy. And then just tighten the screws. You have an Allen key that's conveniently on the side and just clips in. That allows you to undo them two Allen bolts for there, so you can get 45-degree cuts by twisting this. Like so. You have grooves inside which catches the pin so you get the correct angle. Would have preferred a lever rather than fussing about with Allen bolts, but it is what it is. Back to 90 degrees. Place the blade back inside, flipping the switch across. Make sure it goes all the way in. I was going to pick one of these up when I seen them down there the other week when they were £20, but I ifed and hard, and I'm glad I waited because, like I said, $9.99, you can't go wrong. As you can clearly see, this 12 volt saw has more than enough power. Very impressive for only 12 volts. Let's try it on the lower settings. Doesn't have the power on the lower settings, but that would be handy for cutting thin plastic, as it will stop the plastic melting around the back of it. The switch on the side with it is quite fiddly, it's quite stiff. This bit of plywood is soaking, so let's see what it does. Let me know in the comments below if you have this jigsaw and if you are happy with it. I would love to hear from people who have had this saw for a while. Absolutely no problem cutting through this wet piece of plywood. Yeah, for the money, well recommended. Even if I paid £30 for it, I would be happy.